Hello everyone, this is Christine from Reyeah Technology. We are specialized in the small and medium-sized vending machine. Here, I would like to introduce the new feature for you, the electronic lock. And according to our many customers' feedback, when they have many machines in hand, it will be difficult for them to find the correct lock, correct key for the lock. And also, when they lost the key, it will be take a long time to get a key from us or to copy the key. So here they were so badly in need of this new feature for the electronic lock, which can allow them to remotely control this machine to open the lock. Okay, so here, please follow me. I will show you the more details. And as you can see, if you want for the mechanic lock, if you want to open it, and then you have to use the key. And then here, this is the lock condition. And then if you need to open it, and then you need to, to push and open the door. But here, as in the machine, it has another lock for the electronic, so which can double confirm the machine can be open in different situation. Okay, so I can show you like how to lock with our mobile app. Here, how to open it with the phone app. Let me show you. Here, as you can see, this is the app for the mobile, and here you can, it's an app to check all the sales data, so like weekly sales or monthly sales, and then so it can show the machine whether it is online or offline. So for example, if you are sure your machine is online, you can just click here and choose the correct machine number. For example, I want to open this machine, and then you see here there is an electronic lock switch, and then so which means the feature is already on. If the feature is not enabled, then you need to enable or activate this feature first. And so once it's all activate, and then it will be here, it will show it here. Okay, so I just click here, and then it will ask you for a verification code just to secure or to make sure the authorization has been approved by the machine owner. Okay, so I just asked for sending the verification code. And then here, see from my email, and then I received a code here. Just choose, input the code. See here, I hear the sound B here on the machine, which means the machine is already open. Okay, so let's check out. And also, see, okay, the machine is unlocked. And also there is another feature. If you don't have a mobile app or you don't have a phone with you, so you can also directly unlock the machine in front of the machine. Okay, so normally we can get access to the administrator by input the password. Okay, so we get access to the setting page, and then here you can see this has an equipment configuration. See here, and then you can see the electronic lock switch. You just open and the machine will See, also there's a B sound, which means the machine is open already. Okay. Yeah. So it's very convenient for the machine owner when they run into the situation that when they have many maybe employees to manage these machines, and then they have difficulty to assign the keys to them, or when they don't have the key in hand, and then they need to refill these machines, like loading the vape or the product, etc. So I think this feature will help our customers a lot. Thank you.